In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a circle in Life360. To start, open the Life360 app on your device. When the app launches, you will see the main dashboard populated with your current circles. It is essential to ensure that you are logged into the right account. Make sure you are using the account that has administrative privileges for the circle you want to delete. This step is crucial because only the circle admin has the authority to make changes to the circle, including deleting it. If you are not the admin, you won't be able to proceed further. Once you have the app open, look for the circle you want to delete. It will be displayed prominently on your screen. This is the group of members you will be managing. Choose wisely, as deleting a circle means you will lose all the location sharing and settings associated with that group. It is also important to communicate with other members if they are still active in the circle. This helps avoid confusion and ensures that everyone is aware of the changes taking place. Now, tap on the circle you wish to delete. This action will take you to the circle's main page where you can see its details. Here, you'll find options related to the circle's configuration. This step is vital because understanding the circle's settings will inform you of what you need to do next. You should feel confident at this point, knowing you are one step closer to deleting the circle. Next, tap on the Settings option located within the circle's page. This area allows you to manage various aspects of the circle. You will see options that let you control notifications, members, and other settings related to the circle. This step is significant because it establishes your authority as the admin and provides the tools you need to make necessary changes. After accessing the settings, look for the Circle Management option and tap on it. Here you will manage the members of the circle. It is essential to navigate to this section because you will need to remove every member before you can leave the circle yourself. This may seem time-consuming, but it is a necessary part of the process. Removing members ensures that the circle becomes inactive, leading to its eventual deletion. Now it's time to remove every member from the circle. You will need to tap on each member's name and select the option to remove them. This action ensures that no one is left in the circle, which is a requirement for deletion. It might take a moment, but be thorough. Once all members are removed, you will be ready to proceed. Remember, this step is important because it confirms that no one will retain access to the circle once you leave. Once every member has been removed, go back to the Circle Management page. This will allow you to take the final step toward deleting the circle. Navigating back ensures that all changes you made are reflected and ready for the next action. It also keeps you organized and aware of what you have already accomplished. Now tap on the Leave Circle option. This is the pivotal moment where you will officially detach yourself from the circle. You will likely see a prompt asking for confirmation. This step matters because leaving the circle is what triggers the deletion process. Finally, tap Yes to confirm your decision to leave the circle. This action will finalize your exit and ensure the circle is deleted after the last member has left. You will see a confirmation appear, which reassures you that your changes have been successfully saved, and that's it. You have now learned how to delete a circle in Life360. Thank you for following along.